kama serikali katika haya masuala ya kawi na pia tukiangazia masuala ya leseni?
Asante sana Christine. Vile umesema kwamba kuna eneo mengi stima haijafikia, na hali kwamba kuna makampuni yenye inaweza ikachukua jua ikasambaza kama umeme kwa hiyo kijiji, tunashirikiana namna gani? We run, like Daniel Kiptoo of EPRA did say, we license those, tunawapea leseni ili kwamba wasije waka overcharge or wakaliba gali sana, kwa sababu the off-grid systems that we run as licensed would normally want them to pay the same tariff. Malipo itakuwa na sawa na ile ya on-grid, because what we do, we hybridize the tariff from the off-grid onto the on-grid and build them on the same platform, kwa sababu hatutaki ku differentiate and give a challenge to those disadvantaged areas. So what we do is we take the payment on off-grid when they are properly licensed through EPRA.
Yeah.
We then hybridize and we give an average tariff. And so those who are on-grid as licensed by EPRA, watalipa malipo sawa na wale wako on-grid.
Okay.
But I think to kusisitiza kwamba sana, the last mile program is a very good social program which the government is running. Yeah. We will be signing contracts with contractors to power some 260,000 homes with a funding from EU, EIB, and French Development Bank, AFD, on Monday or Tuesday next week, and covering 34 counties. And we have these programs which, from more of a social investment, you don't pay to get connectivity, but itakuwa kwamba pengine kutakuwa na swali kwamba nikinunua tokens kwa nini sangine mimi napata mingi mwingine anapata chache kidogo, because you basically don't pay on connection, but we recover through the monthly tokens you buy for the capital investment.
We'll come to the issue of cost in just a bit, but let's cross over now to the consumer studio where Rashid Abdallah and Jai Lead are standing by to hear from the consumers one-on-one. Rashid.
Thank you, Trevor. And as you've said, we have the consumers right here in the studio. And you've been hearing what the Kenya Power Studio and the government is talking about. Anthony, as the head of manufacturers, I see you're very well prepared. Is it the true state of situation, speaking from the manufacturer's point of view?
Thank you very much, and thank you, Citizen, for putting this such an important conversation with all the